Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. So, I got a limited edition summer bag from Glossybox, and I actually forgot this was coming. Now that I got it, I'm so flippin' excited. This is just adorable, and it comes with a whole bunch of goodies inside the bag. Now, really quickly, before we dive into this, if you have not done so already, go click that subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much, and it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this, in addition to some of the other stuff I've added to my channel that includes spoilers, information on mystery boxes that are available, sales, discounts, and different promotions from different brands, all that good stuff. And do make sure you hit the notification bell and click all notifications. That way you'll get notified not just of my video uploads, but also my shorts videos and community tab posts. That is where you're going to find all the extra information. In addition to that, my giveaway winners I post on my community tab, so it's information you need to know. Okay, so this limited edition summer bag Glossybox did send me for review and to share with you guys. Now, this is currently available on the Glossybox website, and I do have a link down below. Not only by using that link will you be able to sign up for Glossybox, I believe you'll get your first box for $1. Yeah, with a 12-month subscription. But again, $1. It's a great deal. In addition to that, you'll also get $5 off of this limited edition bag if you want to scoop it up for yourself. So this is normally $35 for non-subscribers, but if you sign up using my link below, you'll get $5 off of this, so it'll only be $30. And like I said, your first regular Glossybox subscription will only be $1 with my link down below in the 12-month subscription. Now, I did already unbox my May 2021 regular Glossybox subscription that they sent me, and they're so good to me. If you're watching, thank you, Glossybox. Love you guys. I will link that May video up here if you want to go check it out before you get the subscription. It is a great monthly subscription. Now, with this summer bag, obviously you get this adorable clear, well, see-through bag to stash all your goodies for travel and stuff like that. And then here is the card that comes with it, and inside the card is a list of all the products and I believe prices of everything that you get in this bag. So it does come with a really good description, so that you know what you're getting. Let's go and see everything that's in here. I'm so excited. So this is a 2-pack from After Spa of cotton reusable rounds. Now, these things are awesome to have. I use them on a daily basis. I use them for everything from cleansing to toners, all that good stuff. Next, we have this for all skin repair. Okay, that's what it looks like. This is a full-size item, and it retails, whoops, I'm shifting this. It retails for $34. And I believe this is a moisturizer. I've not heard of this brand before or tried it, but that's cool packaging. Very sleek. Ooh, look at it. It's like whipped. Ooh, this is like a, there we go, glare. Oh, that smells nice. It's not too strong either. It's a really kind of subtle smell. So this is formulated with vitamin K. I haven't heard of that one. But that's for anti-aging. It's got CBD in it. And arnica for anti-inflammatory help. So evidently this cream is very popular with salon estheticians. Is that what they're called? Estheticians? Estheticians. That's a funny word. I can't say it. Anyway, because they use it after waxing and stuff like that because it is really good at soothing and the anti-inflammatory properties. Okay. Next. Oh, we've got something from Bumble and Bumble, and it actually, I do really like this brand, and it looks like it's called Surf Infusion. This is a travel size, and it retails for $17. And it's for beach weather. So this is, it says it's a salt meets oil spray. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's mineral complex. Enhances your hair's texture. Whilst tropical oils and sea botanicals leave behind a soft, touchable finish. Oh, that's actually really cool. Okay, next is from Dome Beauty. So this is, it's an eye jewel. And it retails for $25. This is a full size. So is it like a shimmer or a sparkle for your eyes? Okay, here's the packaging. Oh, so yeah, it looks like a... Oh, that's actually really cool. Look at that. It doesn't smell, which is good. I don't know if I want smelly stuff on my eyes. It's a pigmented mousse-like shadow that feels comfortable and lightweight on the lids. Next, we have Soul Note. Solenotes. This is a deluxe mini, and it retails for $10. It is a grapefruit and fig leaf fragrance. I'm gonna smell this. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, so the packaging is super pretty. Oh, okay. I'm trying to pull the top off. Okay, so it is a roller ball. Okay, so it doesn't smell bad, but it's not my favorite either. I'm more of like a floral, fruity. I like something a little sweeter. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's not bad though. It does smell good. It's just not something I personally would pick. I don't know, does that make sense? Okay, next we have a mascara from Ico. And this is a waterproof mascara, and it retails for $13. I have gotten Ico mascaras before, and they're okay. Next, we've got something from Margaret Dabbs of London. This is a deluxe mini. And the mini goes for $8. The full size is $37.50. And I think this is a, oh, okay, this is a foot lotion. I am gaga over foot lotions. So I'm super duper excited to get that one. And we still have a couple more things. Next is by Codex Beauty, and it is a BIA exfoliating wash. This is a deluxe mini, which goes for $10, and the full size retails for $45. And it says, this cleanser's creamy and gentle exfoliating texture is the best way to wash your face after a day in the sun. Last but not least is another thing by Codex Beauty, and it's a BIA superfood. This is another deluxe mini, and the mini it is worth $15, and the full size retails for $50. And this one is a moisturizer to follow after you use their cleanser. So that's actually really cool to get the set of 2 of these to use together. This one is made with Codex's patented BIA complex formula, which rehydrates your skin and is clinically proven to soften, smooth, and promote a more even skin tone. Okay. Well, I think that's actually a really, really cool summer box for a limited edition box. I think it's got a really nice mix of products that a lot of them I'll definitely use and try. So I'm excited. Yeah. Have you tried any of these brands? Which is your favorite? Put it down in the comments. Okay, so as I stated earlier, if you use my link down below, you can scoop this up for $5 off. So it'll only make it $30. If not, if you opt not to get the subscription, also with the deal through my link, this bag is $35, which is still a really good deal. So, what's the total value of everything? It's $142, which surprisingly, that's pretty up there considering there are some, deluxe sample size or deluxe minis. They still had a really good value. So, and that's the only thing I included in the numbers are, obviously the price of the full-size items that we got. And then I added up the prices for the deluxe minis or the smaller sizes. And it still came to $142, which is outstanding. So, again, I could not be happier that I got my hands on this limited edition bag. And that $142 value doesn't include the actual bag. So it's actually worth more than the $142 because you get the bag with it. So yeah. Okay. That's it. As I said before, this limited edition bag is available right now on the Glossybox website. So if it's something you want to get your hands on for the summer or as a gift, whatever, go scoop it up. Thanks as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so, so much. And don't forget, I do have a few giveaways going on. I've got my monthly giveaway, and there's a giveaway. I'm giving away an entire box of products that I got from The Box by Fashionsta. All of that just got posted over the last couple of days, and then there's another giveaway. I'm giving away a couple of Ipsy limited edition bags. So yeah, I've got all those giveaways going on. and they all close next week. So go back through my channel, click on those videos, and make sure you're in on those giveaways. Love you guys bunches. Thanks again. I will talk to you soon. And have a great holiday weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.